Hello and welcome back to WP Plugins for you. Today, we're tackling an important topic for WordPress users: how to turn off those annoying PHP errors that clutter your site and confuse visitors. If you've seen warnings or error messages on your website and want to make them disappear, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the solutions, let's talk about why you might want to turn off PHP error messages. While they're useful for developers during debugging, they can look unprofessional and may reveal sensitive information about your website's setup. Turning them off enhances your site's user experience and security. Method 1. Editing the wp-config.php file. The first and most common method is by editing the wp-config.php file. Here's how you can do it. 1. Access your website files. Log in to your hosting control panel or connect via FTP. Navigate to your WordPress installation folder. 2. Locate the wp-config.php file. Open it using a code editor or your hosting file manager. 3. Replace debugging code. Find the debugging-related lines in the file, such as this one. Replace it with the following code. 4. Save the file. Save the changes and refresh your website. The PHP errors should no longer appear. Method 2. Using a plugin. If you're not comfortable editing files, there's an even easier way to turn off PHP errors: using a plugin. Here's how. 1. Install a debugging plugin. Search for plugins like WP Debugging or Error Log Viewer by Best Websoft. 2. Activate the plugin. Install and activate the plugin in your WordPress dashboard. 3. Configure the settings. Go to the plugin's settings page and disable PHP error display with a few clicks. And that's it. Plugins are ideal if you're looking for a code-free solution. Method 3. Adjusting server settings. For advanced users or those who manage their servers, you can turn off PHP errors directly at the server level. 1. Edit the php.ini file. Locate your server's php.ini file and modify the following lines. 2. Restart the server. Apply changes by restarting your web server, such as Apache or Nginx. This method applies globally, covering all applications running on the server, not just WordPress. Before we wrap up, here are some best practices. Always back up. Make sure to back up your website before editing any files. Log errors. Instead of turning errors off completely, consider logging them for troubleshooting using. Keep plugins and themes updated. Many PHP errors arise from outdated plugins or themes. Regular updates can prevent these issues. By following these tips, you'll ensure a cleaner and more secure WordPress experience. And that's how you turn off PHP errors in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to WP Plugins for you for more WordPress tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.